Welcome back to At Home with Carla. This is the dog's new bed, and they all share it really nice, and it seems like when they jump in there, they all fall asleep right away. But not too much going on here today, but I hope you're having a good day. We'll talk to you soon. Welcome back. It's a rainy day here in Wisconsin, and we got a lot of rain, needed rain, but I'm heading into town for a little bit, and I just got back from the town hall and paid up my dog licenses. And our one girl, Ava, she has a growth on her gums, and so Thursday she's going to have some surgery. Oops, I got my squeaky windshield wipers. And the vet did say it's popular in boxers, so she didn't quite blame me, but I just feel bad. She's not in much pain. She can eat. She did lose a little weight, but we're just doubling up on her soft foods. So hope that goes well. Leaving work here, and I talked to my brother earlier through a text, and he had mentioned that Wisconsin here where we live might get 8 inches of rain between now and tomorrow. That's a lot of rain, man. Lake Hallie right in our driveway. Well, looks like we got about 2.5, 3 inches already. I'll put the dogs in their kennel and then you can come in, okay? All right, I'll be right back. Why don't you go hide out for a minute until I get the dogs in their kennel. Good boy. Thanks for watching. Hope you'll have a great evening. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and then press the little bell and you'll get continued videos. Quote of the day: if you think you are too small to be effective, you have never been in the dark with a mosquito.